booking.com. So what we have here is the account of the guest, which we are logged in, so we need to log in inside the system. So we have the listings and everything about the hotel. And then what we need to do is to go to distributors, Airbnb, and we go to host authorization, and then we need to grant access. And this will jump to the account. So we need to be logged in into booking.com, into Airbnb, so to be able to make the connection. And here it's all the different features that will be connected, and we click on allow. Normally should be a success message and send us back to the system. And now I make a F5 refresh, and then we can see this is connected. And then we see the host listings. Here everything is active, so that's good. So now we try to go inside the new system and the new extranet. And then it's loading, and then we see Airbnb is here. So let's click on Airbnb. And then we have to see what's pending, which rate plans are pending. So we see no rate plans here. And then we need to go to the old system. Let's see Airbnb. So Airbnb has been connected for 1 year, and then we see the ID that has come automatically to the system. And then we click on add a new room. Save changes. Let's see what happens. So what we need to do, we need to go into listings, and then we have to click on this listing and make sure that it allows room type. Booking settings, and here we need to enable the instant booking. So this is done here. So let's try to do the same here. Booking, photo, number of guests, booking settings. So we need to enable this, save. And also for the single room, we do the same. Availability, pricing, location. So let's try to go on the left side again and see description, availability, pricing, room type, pricing, availability, description, number of guests, room category. So we have this settings description. I could not find the other one. Where is it? Cancellation, booking settings here, the booking settings, and then use instant bookings, and then we activate this. So now we have the listings, we have the calendar. So that's the calendar and the listings. And now what we need to do is to try add a new room. Let's see if it works. This it doesn't work, so what we need to do is to go here to hosts and listings. We need to deactivate them first, and then we need to activate them again. And now after activation, normally it should work. Let's see in the new system as well if the rates are available. Pending, yes. So now we can see the rates are ready for mapping. So we have single room, hotel single room. We'll match the first one first, and then we have the boarding house. We make it like this. And then we have the 3 room, and then this one we have to see which one should be connected. But no, normally the connection, it looks like this. Now it's successfully connected, and now we click on the mirror, and then we can see the data that it's been sent to the system. And also in the old system, it will look like this. The Airbnb connection looks like this. We can check also the updates histories to see the data that's being sent. You can see no updates for the moment, so this should work. Yes, now it works. For single room, for double room, we can see the price and the updates are working. And now we check in again the calendar. This is before the connection and after the connection. Let's save the before. Let's make a refresh. You can see after the connection. So this is how it works, the connection with Airbnb. We need the two systems, the old one and the new one, to make it work. Thank you very much.